warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I'm Fitri. How are you? Okay, I have a topic now. So, I will tell you about studying while studying. Ladies and gentlemen, studying while studying have two effects. The effect is negative and positive effect. The positive effect is it can increase the spirit of learning. Example, if a couple wants school or wants way, it can study give more spirit. Why? Because of course they will be shy if one of them get a low score. Ladies and gentlemen, so that they study more to get a good score. So, according they, study is good. Although study while studying. And now, the negative effect. The negative effect is can make concentration to study contact. Because they always think to the boyfriend, never think to the lesson, never think to the family. Don't pity to the family that can always give money for buy something, for don't be shy if in the school. And ladies and gentlemen, there are many people. There are many teenagers, there are many students now, pregnant in out married. This because what? Because studying while studying can't forgive the self, don't know that the self lost. But they just think happiness in wood. Don't think want to become what? Just happy now. Happy now, can't for happy in last life. I'm pity. I'm pity to the person, to the family, to the parent. Because just because the parent will lose. Ladies and gentlemen, please think your parent, yourself. Don't always think wherever, whatever you are happy now. And my suggestion to you, please study first, be success first, and then you can study. And you can think having relationship. I think just it my speech, and if I have mistake for you, I'm sorry. And last, I say thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.